The modern dream home. When thinking about a multifunctional living space, the first thing that comes to mind is a hotel. Korshunov architects adopted the idea of a modern hotel in the apartment of a successful young businessman. They had a rare opportunity to work in any layout, thanks to which the apartment acquired a different character and even became a little bigger. Location: Moscow area, 73 SQ. Budget: 7.5 million rubles. Authors: Dmitry Korshunov, Elena Korshunova. The owner of the apartment, young, business and traveling, open to everything new and modern, wanted a cozy bedroom and a functional wardrobe in the center of the interior. The apartment has already been renovated by the client, but the standard solution did not suit the young man. The main task was to change the layout, the elimination of unnecessary partitions and doors, techniques for visually increasing the space, and the harmonious arrangement of functional areas in the room. In total, the project lasted 1.5 months, 1 month to finalize and coordinate the visual part of the project, and 2 weeks to prepare executive drawings. We did not adhere to any generally accepted style in this interior. This is our author's vision of this particular space and the task set before us. However, certain knowledge is needed to create a harmonious interior, of course. The geometry of shapes, spaces, the ability to combine colors and materials, all this comes with experience and observation. The initial layout of the customer included an entrance hall, a kitchen living room, a guest bathroom, a laundry room, 2 small bedrooms, 11 and 14 m2, and a bathroom adjacent to the bedroom. The client planned to live alone, and first of all it was important for him to focus on the bedroom and dressing room, so the total area of the apartment was conditionally divided in half into a guest area and a private area. There was not a single load-bearing wall or column in the room, which gave architects rare freedom in working with the layout. After professional manipulations, the total area of the apartment increased by 1 square meter, and a memorable feature of the project was a bedroom combined with a bathroom. This is a completely individual project. Since this is an apartment, there were no wet zones. This made it possible to move the bathroom almost to the center of the bedroom. The kitchen and living room remained in their places, their sizes have not changed much. In the common area there is an entrance hall, a kitchen living room, a guest bathroom laundry room. In the private area there is a bedroom, a bathroom, a dressing room and a bathroom with a shower room. And since this is an apartment, the layout did not need to be coordinated. The furniture for the project is mainly made to order, a TV stand, a coffee table, bedside tables, all built-in furniture, as well as a sofa and an island of local production. The exceptions are the Now bed from the Italian Alphab factory, the Divine carpet from the Naurisan factory and Concord bar stools from Karim Rashid. It was important to create a comfortable interior space for cleaning, avoiding unnecessary gaps and crevices so that dust does not accumulate. Therefore, the architects tried to use easy-to-clean surfaces for finishing. For example, they preferred stone to wood for the floor. There is a carpet in the living room, and a soft carpet will be laid in the bedroom and dressing room to enhance the feeling of comfort and conviviality. The walls are painted in a solid pearl white color. In the TV area on the wall, large format dark tiles made of porcelain stoneware with a natural stone structure are also used. The dark background facilitates the perception of TV, and the unusual texture evokes associations with wild animals and allows you to distract yourself a little from the metropolis. According to the color scheme, the interior turned out to be monochrome, but at the same time contrasting. There are black graphic elements, such as faucets, switches, thermostats, and accessories. We tried to use natural textures and textures, so there are no bright or unexpected colors here. Since the implementation budget was limited, porcelain stoneware was laid on the walls and floor instead of natural stone. To make it more natural, the architects used a large format 80 x 80 centimeters. There are also solutions that the customer did not skimp on. For example, the walls in the living room are painted in a special technique with an unusual mother-of-pearl paint. The solution was time-consuming and costly, but the result met expectations. It turned out to be a delicate shade with the finest shades, which looks good both near and far, works from a delicate background to the interior. A separate part of the budget was allocated for full sound insulation. At the entrance to the apartment there is a public space, a combined kitchen and living room. Instead of a traditional dining table in the kitchen there is a geometric bar table with a portal in the center. The huge island is entirely made of acrylic. The contrast of black and white elements combined with majestic chairs resembles chess. The living area, despite the general minimalism, looks cozy, harmonious and holistic. Largely due to the combination of tone-to-tone colors. All fabrics were selected on the spot. The color of the sofa cushions and carpet corresponded to the shades of a large painting depicting a tiger and a dragon. A ceramic penguin from the Italian factory Bosa was chosen as a decoration for the living room. Joyful, geometric, in solid colors with the addition of gold, the customer really liked it. Items and materials: Italian plaster oikos, Pallas line Atlas Concord porcelain stoneware, Brave Pearl Atlas Concord porcelain stoneware, Brave Grey Carpet Divine, Naurus Dab Penguin, Bosa tabletop, apron and island pure color, Grand Eccentricbit fixtures Concord, slide chairs Smeg Kettle. There is practically nothing superfluous in the room. A upholstered bed, 2 minimalistic bedside tables, 2 geometric hanging lamps with a sconce function, and a large floor-to-ceiling window. A feature of the interior, and even its unexpected decor, is an oval bathtub that practically enters the room and is literally centered on a podium with lighting. An open bathroom is a full-fledged part of the room. A wall-mounted TV is equally convenient to watch both in bed and in the bath. Items and materials: Wireflow sconce from Vibia carpet, associated weavers blinds, bamboo Decalux lighting, centerlight. The large bathroom and shower are behind darkened doors. On the main wall of the bathroom there is a large picture of nature and cherry blossoms in the same colors as the picture on the wall of the living room. While the image of the living room has an active energy, this image is more conducive to relaxation. The walls of the guest bathroom are painted with blue waterproof paint. The cabinet doors with a washing machine inside are painted. Items and materials: Atlas Concord porcelain stoneware, Brave Pearl Atlas Concord porcelain stoneware, Brave Grey Jabber bath. The dressing room is also part of the private area and is designed as an open space that is perfectly visible from the bedroom or bathroom. It is conditionally separated from the sleeping area by a wall, on one side of which there is a TV, and on the other, a built-in mirror. To the side of the dressing room there is another large window that allows you to fully use a small amount of light in the utility rooms. All cabinets and storage systems were custom-made by local workshops. As the architects note, saving is always a certain risk. In this case it affected the timing and quality of furniture. There were many changes, shortcomings, but in the end it became exactly what it was intended.